Alright, YouTube, y'all know what it is, man. We back with another unboxing. As you can see, Stylecraft sent your boy something in the mail. I know what it is. And if you're following me on Instagram, you know too. If y'all been paying attention, y'all know Stylecraft is taking pre-orders for the new Saber 2 Clipper. So that's what we got inside of this box. I'm gonna unbox this. I'm gonna let y'all know what comes with the Clipper. And then, I'm gonna give y'all a few clips of me using it. And then I'm also gonna talk about what I think about this Clipper. Basically giving y'all a review, right? So with that being said, man, let's go ahead and get into this video.
Damn it, Tito. Another one?
All right, check it out, man. We're gonna go ahead and open this up. So check it out. So obviously it comes in a package like this. As you can see, we got a little flyer in there. New drop alert, October 2024. The Saber 2.0 metal hair clipper, available in black or gold. So that's all I'm gonna read on there because I wanna read the specifics on the box and I don't wanna be too redundant with what I'm saying. But we're gonna go ahead and take the Saber 2 clipper out of the box. Well, out of the package first, and as you can see, here is the box that it comes in. So let's go ahead and look at some of the specs on this box. Sorry, I had to take some of that stuff off. But y'all check that out, man. That's the Saber 2 Clipper. You know, Stylecraft always has nice packaging. I really enjoy the packaging. I think they look nice. So y'all check that out, man. Obviously, as you can see, they're gonna have interchangeable, like little face plates and whatnot. But let's go ahead and read some of the specs on this clipper. It's got a premium DLC Echo Fix blade for a louder crunch and a shallow 2.0 cutter for smoother cutting with no pulling. New and improved Eon Long Life digital brushless motor. The Eon stands for efficient, optimized, and noise reduced. All right, I see y'all, Stylecraft. Tighter stretch taper bracket, so you can basically put the stretch lever on there if you want. Fully adjustable, can be easily zero gap. Lithium ion battery delivers 2.5 hours of cordless runtime from 120 minutes of charge. Heavy duty, full metal body with modular removable drop top for easy cleaning. That was like my third time trying to say it and I kept messing up. USB-C rechargeable for universal I can't speak today. USB-C rechargeable for universal worldwide use and also compatible with our Stylecraft USB-C charging stand, sold separately. Includes 4 dub magnetic tight guards. But yeah, man, that's it. So that's basically what it says on the back. But let's go ahead and open this thing up so y'all can actually see the clipper and then we can start talking about how this thing works. So as you can see, once you open up the clipper, we have, I don't want to say 3 different lids, but 3 different like face plates on there. So I don't know if y'all can see it due to the glare, but I think one is see-through, which is this one right here. And then this one is gold, and then that one's just the black one. So that's basically what you can do. But let's go ahead and get this clipper out of here. Take it out of the plastic. Obviously, I already, I turned it on by accident. Obviously, I already took it out of the plastic before and used it. As you can see, I got some hair in there, but that's just because your boy's been working with it. But nonetheless, man, y'all check it out, the Stylecraft Saber 2 Clipper. Like I said, we do have some hair in there because your boy has been using it, but check it out, man. We got a nice click lever on the side. I really like the way those clicks sound. We do got the on and off switch on the side, the little lever switch. As you can hear, the motor sounds nice. Nice sounding clipper. We do have the Stylecraft Echo blade, basically for a louder crunch. And then we do get the charging port down here, or if you want to charge it USB-C, you can use the USB-C port in the back. And yeah, man, that's basically the clipper. And also we do have these little grooves in the back, you know, for ergonomics, for comfortability. But check it out, man. This is, I just like the way the clicks sound. But this is the Saber 2 Clipper, man. Y'all check that out once again. But we're going to go ahead and put this down and continue looking at what comes in the box. So as you can see, we get a charging stand right here. So let me go ahead and take this out for you so we can look at the charging stand. And I'm not gonna lie to y'all guys, I haven't even used the charging stand. I've just been charging it USB-C, but check it out, man. You put the clipper on the charging stand and it sits in there. It's not as snug as I would like, but it's not bad. All in all, the charging stand is basically, it's similar to a lot of how their charging stands look. You know, it's not really too much different, maybe just a little different shape, but we have the Stylecraft branding in the front. We got the anti-slip grips on the bottom, and then we have the plug in the back. And then once again, you just put it on there and it sits in there nicely.
Damn it, Tito. Another one?
Let's take this plastic piece out of the box and see what else comes in here. All right. So as you can see, we do get the black tight guards. And I'm gonna be honest, I've just been using my regular guards, my Babyliss premium guards, just because I told y'all before I don't like to have a lot of guards on my station, so I've just been using those. But you can use these, you know, I know a lot of people like these guards, so it basically just goes based off preference, right? So we get that, we get the stretch bracket in there along with another cam follower and some extra screws. We get the SC screwdriver that they're infamous for. We get the charging cord, and then I like that Stylecraft always sends you a USB-C cord, because I need a lot of USB-C cords. You know, I need one here at the house. I have one in my car. I got like 2 at the shop. So I like that they send you a USB-C cord. And then we get the 2 different face plates. As you can see, we got the black one and the gold one. But that's basically what comes in the box. Obviously, we do get a pamphlet in there also. But, you know, your boy really ain't even going to look at that. So let me chunk all this stuff back in the box. And let's continue looking at this clipper, man. All right. So let's take a look at this clipper, man. When you turn it on, it sounds nice. I really love the motor of this clipper. Really love the way it sounds once it's on. Sounds really nice, huh? Y'all let me know what y'all think about the sound of this clipper down in the comments. I'm interested to see what y'all think about it. But let's actually go ahead and start talking about the performance of this clipper. Now, I have had this for about 2 weeks now, and a lot of y'all have been like, Tank, where's the review at to the Stylecraft Saber 2 Clipper? Well, I've been busy. I did get a lot of tours in last week and the week before, so I've been trying to figure out what I'm gonna put out first, right? But, you know, I'm trying to put this one out for y'all, and then the next video is gonna be, I believe, the Vapor. So if you're interested in that, y'all make sure to subscribe to the channel one time for your boy, you know what I'm saying? But nonetheless, the Saber 2 Clipper, man, like I was saying, I've been using it for about 2 weeks now, and I gotta say, I really like the way this thing works. I know when the Saber trimmer came out, a lot of people were buying it. A lot of people loved the way it worked. And I'm not gonna lie, I did too. It was one of my go-to trimmers, maybe for a whole year, maybe even a little longer. So it is a really, really great trimmer. Obviously, it is gonna be preference-based, right? But we're not here to talk about the trimmer, we're talking about the clipper. I just wanted to put that out there. But the same thing goes with this clipper. I really like the way it works. It's probably one of my favorite clippers out right now. And I know it's still kind of new, and I know I really haven't used it for a long amount of time. So it may start to work different later on, but as of right now, I really love the way this thing is working. Like I said, it's one of my favorite clippers as of right now. I like the clicks on the lever. To me, I just like the way they sound, and they're always in a good position, and it keeps me, you know, it keeps me intact with what I'm doing. It lets me know exactly where I'm at when it comes to fading. Now, I do want to talk to y'all about this Echo blade. If y'all like hearing every little hair get cut, you're gonna love this blade. Now, I don't know if it's the actual blade, I don't know if it's the cutter, maybe it's the combination of both, but with this blade and this cutter, you can literally hear every little hair being cut. And that's something I really like. It kind of reminds me of like the old school corded masters. You remember the old school corded masters? They were really quiet and you can hear almost every little hair getting cut. That's exactly how this clipper is, right? So I really enjoy that. To me, it's just like, it brings back like a little bit of nostalgia, you know what I'm saying? But it's also great because it's something brand new. Obviously it's corded, lightweight, not too heavy. I know some people may say it's a little heavier than other clippers, but I don't think it's such a heavy clipper.
Damn it, Tito. Another one?
But all in all, man, I'm really enjoying this, man. When I was cutting hair with it, as y'all seen the video, there's really no effort to using it. And I say that because that's me using it. Obviously, some people may need to learn how to use it. Some people may not be able to cut hair as well as others. But for me, I like the way it worked and I like the way it cut. And I just think all in all, it is a great tool. When it came to debulking, it did debulk good. When it came to blending, it blended well. When it comes to getting out that bottom line, gets out that bottom line well. I mean, obviously, I still go back in and hit it with the trimmer. But if you zero gap this, I'm sure you won't have an issue getting out that bottom line. As far as ergonomics, I really like the feel of this clipper. Like I said a little while ago, it's not too heavy. It feels good in the hand. It's a little bit, I want to say it's a little bit bigger than the Instinct, just because it's like a little thicker, but I think it might be about the same length. It might be a little bigger, but I'm gonna have to do a comparison on them two. But it's a nice clipper all in all. As you can see, we have the lights down here. So when all three of them are lit up, you know you got full battery. So there is one thing that I don't like about this, and it's the lever on the side. I'm not a big fan of these levers. I know when I had I don't know if it was the Rebel or the Alpha. It was the Alpha. When I had the Alpha from Stylecraft, that lever went out on me, so I had to get it replaced. So I'm hoping that doesn't happen with this clipper. That's why I'm not really a big fan of these, you know, switches. But nonetheless, that's like my only negative thing to say about this clipper. Like I said earlier, guys, all in all, I really enjoy using it. I'm going to keep using it, and it's one of my go-to clippers as of right now. Now, this is just my preference. These are just my opinions. Everyone may not feel the same way, and that's cool. I'm just giving y'all once again what I think about this tool, and that's what this channel's about. You know what I'm saying? Me telling y'all what I think about the tools that I get in, and basically giving y'all my opinion. and basically giving y'all my opinion on them. But nonetheless, man, all in all, great tool. Really enjoy using it. These are on pre-order. They do drop October of this year. So if y'all want to purchase this tool, you can go to stylecraftus.com and make sure to use my discount code TANK10 when you purchase this, because it is going to save you some money. I don't know exactly what the price is, but I think it's pretty close to 300 bucks. So if you use my discount code, you're going to save you about $30 or so, you know what I'm saying? So that's some good little savings, you know what I'm saying? And I don't know when FW Barber Supply is getting it, but if y'all want to check it out on their website, you can go to fwbarbersupply.com and use my discount code TANK10. But with that being said, man, that's basically it for this video. If you like this video, please make sure to smash that like button. Also, if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe one time for your boy. And that's basically it, YouTube. I appreciate y'all for watching. Until next time, let's go.